Okay, this is one of those problems that students hate because nothing is given. Does that mean that you can't do a solution? No. Okay? What it means is you can't get a numerical answer. Okay? So again, how do you solve this? You look for what is required. Acceleration, A. So you write that down. A, the units are meters per second squared. What else? Tension, Ft. Ft in newtons. Okay? Okay. And what is our basis here? Our basis is the summation of forces along the x is equal to the summation of masses times the acceleration. Okay? And this is actually given to you. If you look at your study guide, you can see that. Okay? So, what we're looking for is A, this one here. Therefore, A is summation of forces along the x divided by the summation of masses. Okay? So that's what you write as your solution. A in meters per second squared is equal to the summation of forces along the x, summation of masses, because there are two objects now, 1, 2, right? So what are the summation of forces? Let's look here. Something very important. Look, friction is negligible. What does that mean? Ff is equal to 0. So we only have one force. Okay? So what is the force? Fa. Let's call that the applied force, right? Divided by, what is the mass? m1 plus m2. Okay? And that, believe it or not, is the answer. Your acceleration, these are the ones that are given. Even though there's no numeric value, if you were given m1 and m2 and a, then you could solve for the acceleration. Okay? So, check. How about letter B? In letter B, you have to look for the tension. The tension is here. If you cut this, this will become Ft. Okay? And if you look just at system number, system 1, what would you have? Again, the same thing, right? Summation of forces along the x is equal to ma. For system 1, what is your force? Ft, right? That is Ft is equal to mass 1 times the acceleration. Okay? So, write that down. Ft is equal to m1a. Okay? And look, we have the value of a up here, this one. So we're going to substitute this for a, and you're going to have m1 times fa over m1 plus m2. Okay? And that's going to be your second answer. Check. Okay, again, look at that. What you're given is fa, m1, and m2. And this is all in terms of f1, m1, and m2. Okay, so if you're given these numbers, then you can get a numeric value. Otherwise, this is the answer. Okay.